So main primary job of what we're doing here is using the drone's capabilities of infrared to monitor the edges of the fire at this point and stages of the fire. We're looking for heat, whether it's on the line or interior, taking lat longs of it so crews can get in and mitigate those heats. A lot of this terrain is very inaccessible by foot, so air is the best and safest option. So we're making laps around the fire, checking in with all the divisions, making sure everything is cold and black and out for us to upload into the situation report and put more black on the map. This tool is extremely important everywhere in the United States. It's one of the first things ordered by teams taking over complex fires now, or large scale fires. We're able to do infrared, obviously, like I said, but also aerial ignition as well. Super useful tool, cuts down on unnecessary manned aviation flights and saves boots on the ground time and trouble. So I guess in closing, it's a perfect tool for certain things. It's another tool to have in the toolbox, and everybody seems to be pretty happy about it. I know I am.